Hello everyone, my name is Skinny Bai. I come from China, from Zhejiang Zhaolong Intercontact Technology Company. We are in China, Huzhou. We are a cable factory. You can see this is our main product. Our main product is LAN cable, for example, the Ki5E, Ki6, Ki6A, and Ki7, and also the connector we design and produce by ourselves. Yeah, this is the patch code. Yeah, and this also have our new product, Ethernet cable for the industrial area, and the Profit cable, Profit bus cable, and the SPE cable, and the Etherkite. Yeah, welcome to ISE 2023. Thank you. Our website is www.chaolong.com.cn. Welcome.